Hey! Today I wanna open and look at all the little details of the Japan exclusive and limited doll. Elena here, and I'm holding this recently released steampunk doll Rebecca, who was created under Coordinate Doll label. What is this mysterious name, you may wonder? It just simply means that for this doll they used released before head and outfit. Do you have any ideas why this is a thing? Anyway, in this case is a Clock Guard in the Sunshine Rebecca, which was released in 2018 with white wavy hair. And this version has an amazing golden blonde curly buns. I think before we only saw similar buns on 112 fairy dolls like Nelly. This doll was released as a commemorative doll for the Golden Week Fair on the Azone store website. Commemorative. Commemorative. For you who don't know, Golden Week is almost a week of holidays in Japan in May. During this time, a few other dolls was released. Super adorable foxes Mio and Leon in shrine clothes, Goldfish Princess Mia in a Chinese themed purple dress, and a big 1/3 girl Fuku from the Iris collection lying in a casual outfit. This doll box is generic coordinate doll box. The whole box looks like a wrapped resin, has dreamy background with sparkles and pink ribbon. On sides we see seals which say that it is a coordinate doll. This is also mentioned on the top of the box and on the front. The portrait of the doll herself can only be seen on the front bottom area. She has the same name of Alvastaria series, Hidamari no Tokeimori, Clock Guard in the Sunshine. Also, it is noted that this doll is net store only version. Behind is an explanation of what a coordinate doll is, a description of different Azone doll series, X-Cute, X-Cute Family, and Sarah Alemol. Information about pure Nemo flexion body and set details. And her price is 12,000 yen without taxes. By the way, she is still available on the official Azone website. Now we clearly can see the doll portrait and specific doll information are all printed on a special sticker which is just attached to a generic box. Smart move, Azone, smart move. I hope the solution won't migrate to usual doll lines. Background inside the box is in a simple pink stripes with pink bow, again imitating gift wrapping. In the middle is Azone Coordinate doll logo. Apart from usual additional booklets, we received only a maintenance guide. I guess they decided not to include an original Rebecca book, to spare beginners who bought this doll an information overdose. As doll has very unusual puffs, Azone put the whole head inside a plastic bag, so her hair is protected. They even made a bit sloppy cuts in the usual Azone blister to fit this massive hair. Aww, fluffy fluffs. Those tails are so soft. I think I will be squeezing them non-stop. The hair is very light golden color. Buns are fixed with transparent hair ties. She has unevenly cut bangs with some side hair locks. Her green eyes are very dreamy. They are not bright as Ravi's and doesn't have any additional colors. Her whole face is painted very lightly. Even eyelashes lines are made with grayish color. She has a small, gentle, smiling mouth and very cute nude carrot cheek blush. Skin tone is white. She has a white square-shaped collar which fastens with a hook and can be separated from the dress. It has laces decoration and brown ribbon. Her dress is designed very interestingly. It is not what it looks like. First of all, it is not a dress but shirt and skirt. They are both of an olive color and both fastens with velcro on the back. Blouse has a standing collar with a white ruffs, cute puffed sleeves, golden brown bow on the front and golden beads imitating buttons. White sleeve we see actually are separated pieces. They also have white ruffs on the end and golden beads. That is an interesting designer solution actually. When it's cold sleeves on, when it's warm off. The brown leather corset actually is a part of the skirt. It has a nice strap with metallic buckle decoration on the front. To it attach rest of the olive skirt which is a flower shape. This skirt has the same golden bows all around it. Underneath this skirt is reinforced with harder net fabric, so it really looks like a flower petals. And we are still not done with skirts. Underneath is another skirt in cream and rose gold stripes. It decorated with ruffs from the same material and brown ribbon. It fastens behind on a plastic snap. Underneath to this skirt attach harder white net underskirt with creamy laces. Rebecca is wearing simple semi-transparent knee socks and white panties from the same material. Panties have a cute cream color bow. Let's look at the additional things in the box. First is this golden clock key. It is made from plastic and has a metallic golden chain, so Rebecca can wear it as a bag. Such keys usually are used if mechanical clock needs to be wound, which is very important tool for a clock guard, isn't it? Her hairband is all covered with brown fabric and has cream laces around it from the front and back. On the sides it has dark grey bows and little gold metallic buttons as decorations. I also love her boots a lot. They reminded me boots from Tea Picnic Doll, but they are so much softer. The main part is made from dark brown material, which reminds me of very soft suede. Noses are made from dark brown lacquer material and very shiny because of it. On the sides there are some golden buttons imitations. Sole is made from black plastic. Yeah, they are soft, but because of it, it's really difficult to put them on. Oh my god, I love her. Did you like her? Personally, I think she looks so great, mostly because of her unusual hairstyle. I think she could make a great addition to any collection based on her hair alone. Let's hope that Azone will experiment more with doll styles. Lately their hair just looks rather boring in my opinion. Subscribe and press the bell button if you like my videos and want to see more. Also, some new types of videos are coming. Love dolls and Kon-Kon!